Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to make moringa pods called drumstick curry. These are the moringa pods and I got it in this package. This says Indian vegetable drumstick moringa cut moringa oleifera. These are the drumstick. So I'm gonna make curry of these. Now these drumsticks are a little bit older, like they're really hard. You can see they're really hard and older, but I'm gonna cook it and so it is tasty, and it's full of fiber. We just chew the fiber out and eat the seeds inside. But there are drumsticks which are really soft one, and that we eat all of it, and it's really very tasty. So I have added lots of water to it to cover totally with water, and I'm gonna cook it maybe 30 minutes or more because I would like to get them a little bit softer to chew, be able to chew and suck out all the seeds and everything. And I added to it salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and a vegetable masala powder. You can add anything you wish. You can also saute onion and add it. It's really not required because it's just to make it a little bit soft, and this for chewing and eating the seeds. As you can see, they're swimming in water, so I'm just going to make it like soup, but I have to boil it for 30 minutes or over to make sure they're really cooked. And I added some spices. You can add anything you wish. So these are cooked moringa pods, and they're fully cooked now, and they taste awesome. They're like fully fiber, so you need to chew it, eat the inside juice, and just throw it out. So they're fully fiber and they're not good for swallowing or eating. The soft one is for swallowing or eating. This is for chewing the juice out, and they do have seeds inside, as you can see, just eating the seed out. They are full of nutrition, and I will list the nutritions. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.